Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Antank Bluetooth Audio Transmitter. With USB Type-C, it supports aptX-HD and aptX low latency. That means it is a fast responding time. It's not big, with a big delay, okay? Fast, really fast, with a low latency. AAC compatible with the Nintendo Switch, Lite, OLED, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, personal computer, Bluetooth adapter with in-game chat microphone. All in the box. We have multiple Bluetooth protocols. The Antank Bluetooth Adapter B35 can send the audio of devices via different Bluetooth protocols to corresponding Bluetooth headset. The Bluetooth audio transmitting via aptX-HD, aptX-LL, aptX itself, AAC SBC. This will be available. For example, if we have an aptX-HD Bluetooth headset, but our device does not support aptX-HD transmitting, then this Bluetooth adapter can deal with it. It supports in-game voice chat. As they know, when the Switch new system is connected to a Bluetooth headset, it doesn't support in-game voice chat through built-in microphone. Therefore, it will be better to use a Bluetooth transmitter and a separate microphone when playing games like Fortnite. It does not occupy Switch Bluetooth handwide. Due to the Bluetooth bandwidth limitations, the Switch console can only connect to wireless controllers after connecting to a Bluetooth headset. The Switch system only supports connection to Bluetooth headset under SBC. The delay is above 220 ms, and locally switched connections not available. If they are in multiplayer mode or want to enjoy advanced Bluetooth protocols, an external Bluetooth transmitter B35 will be a good choice. And it's plug and play. No drivers needed. There's no need to download software or carry complicated settings. We just need a simple Bluetooth pairing connection. The Bluetooth Adapter B35 will automatically select the advanced protocol supported by the Bluetooth headset. If our headset supports multiple Bluetooth protocols, we can switch the mode by double-clicking the pairing button. And Hi-Fi stereo. Lossless CD compact disc audio quality, allowing us to better immerse ourselves in the game. They recommend using aptX Bluetooth headsets to acquire lower delay and a better sound quality. The B35 is suited for a variety of devices, including but not limited to Switch, Switch Lite, Switch OLED version, PlayStation 4, PlayStation 5, Xbox, PlayStation, personal computer. Everything is possible with Switch connection. Super low latency of 40 milliseconds. The Bluetooth version 5.0. Dual streaming is possible, no driver needed, and it's battery free. For example, the new Switch can handle one Bluetooth headset plus two wireless controller, or one Joy-Con, job's done. With the Bluetooth codec SBC. The B35 connected into the Nintendo Switch, for example, can make two Bluetooth headsets plus wireless controller, 8 times of it, or 4 times of Joy-Cons. The Bluetooth codecs are SBC, AAC, aptX, aptX-LL, aptX-HD, and the performance comparison with aptX-HD is 220 milliseconds with a superb sound quality. The SBC is 220 milliseconds with not so really good sound quality. The AAC comes in 170 milliseconds, the aptX in 70, and the aptX-LL in only 40, with a good sound quality. It's really easy to use that. It's simple to use. We turn on and set our Bluetooth headphone to pairing status. Then we plug the B35 and hold the A or B until the light begins blinking. And the B35 starting searching. The light stop blinking means pairing successfully. And then we are ready. We can hear the sound, and if we get the microphone 3.5mm into position, we can use it at mic 2, no problem. That is really. The B35 supports dual connection at the same time. After using the A button to connect the Bluetooth headset, we can use the B button to connect to another Bluetooth headset in the same way. We turn on the Bluetooth headset pairing mode first, and then insert the B35 so the recognition speed will be faster. We do not unplug the transmitter and the plug, then plug it immediately if the Bluetooth transmitter is working after connected to the Bluetooth headset itself. It may not be able to automatically reconnect or cause a connection error. The connection error means that the indicator light shows that the device is working normally, but the Bluetooth headset cannot receive an audio. If the transmitter and the Bluetooth headset are reconnected successfully and there is still a freeze when there is no obstacle, we can try to reset the transmitter and the Bluetooth headset to the factory settings, and then we repair it. The Bluetooth codecs can be switched by double-clicking the pairing button. Okay, we have to know that we can only switch between codecs supported by the Bluetooth headset. If our headset supports aptX-HD, the switching sequences is aptX-HD, AAC, aptX-LL, aptX SBC. You can see it's really easy to use, and you can see it's a big bunch of possibilities to make older consoles a little bit smarter than they are. And of course, it's for the new, awesome Nintendo Switch OLED version. This is the Antank Bluetooth Audio Transmitter with USB Type-C supporting. It supports a lot of aptX standards and above, and is compatible with nearly every device with USB port. Because it comes not only with the Type-C, there is an adapter included to Type-C to a Type-A connection. Job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.